Need to fix SIM pin grayed out on iPhone? Then you're on the right video. So without any further delay, let's get started. First thing first, move into the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, you will need to head over to cellular. In this section, you can see the option of SIM pin. Click on it. Well, if it has been grayed out, then all you gotta do is take off the SIM from your device and then re-enter it. Sometimes re-entering the SIM might also fix the issue, so you might be also good to go. But if you're still having the issue, then the next thing you want to try doing is go back to the settings of a device, head over to screen time, scroll down and click on content and privacy restrictions. Make sure to turn off content and privacy restrictions. Once you've turned off, now the next thing you want to do is once again go back and head over to general. Move into software update. So if you see any kind of software update in this page, you simply have to update it to the latest version. Sometimes updating the software has also fixed the issue. If not, go back and move into transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Click on reset network settings. Enter the passcode of a device. Tap on reset network settings. It should fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. If not, try restarting your device and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.